This is the Formula 4x4 lift kit, and in this video, I'm going to show you why it's the best lift kit you can get for your Toyota Hilux. Keep watching this video and I'll explain why. So this is the Formula 4x4 lift kit. So this lift kit has been designed around comfort. So it's been designed in Australia for Australian harsh conditions. So that's whether you're driving to work every day or whether you're going full driving every day. So this lift kit here will lift your vehicle by about 2 inches or 50 mil. We also have an adjustable and remote res lift kit available, which started from standard at 2 inches, but can be adjusted to 3 inches or 75 mil. So here we have an OE shock and then also a Formula shock. So as you can see, this is a Toyota rear shock. It is much smaller in size compared to the Formula. The reason behind that is so that way we can put more oil in here. The bore is bigger, the piston is bigger. It allows everything to stop it from overheating. So that's really good for when you're going off-road. But we have designed this around comfort. So you'll probably know that when you drive off the lot, the OE shock's really, really comfortable. We've kept that in mind, and that's why we've designed Formula to be as most comfortable as possible. In fact, through Formula engineering, this kit has been found to be up to 5 times more comfortable than the others on the market. Formula 4x4 shocks are built with 20% larger bore diameter, meaning they will outperform the majority of other shocks on the market. The Formula 4x4 lift kit for the Toyota Hilux comes with absolutely everything you need to lift your vehicle 2 inches. We also highly recommend getting some optional extras during the website selection, just to make sure that you get the best performance possible. Some of these options, such as the upper control arms, is there to fix any alignment issues or tire wear problems. So when you lift your four-wheel drive 2 inches, you actually take away camber and caster from your vehicles from the standard control arms. That's why we sell upper control arms to suit the lifted vehicles, to be able to correct those problems and stop any tire wear issues. Airbags are another really important upgrade for your vehicle if you're going to be occasionally overloading the leaf springs load rating. So that's successfully like when you're towing a heavy vehicle or you're going to be loading a lot of extra stuff in the back of your car, which is going to go over the load rating of the leaf springs. So the airbags go in just like that in between your leaf springs and your chassis, and then they help stabilize and level the vehicle back out to where it would sit normally without that extra weight. So airbags also act like a heavy-duty sway bar when they're installed and have a little bit of pressure, which is really good, especially when you're going to be towing a large, heavy vehicle behind you. Another really important upgrade for the Hiluxes especially is a diff drop kit. So a diff drop kit is really important to help correct that CV angle that happens when you lift the vehicle. It also then helps correct any sort of CV bind, which is actually what causes the CVs to snap, and you definitely don't want that off-road. So the diff drop will help to bring that diff angle down by about 1 inch, which then levels the CVs back to a more reasonable angle, stops that CV bind, and you're not going to be caught off track with a broken CV. I know that was a lot of information, but don't stress. When you go to choose your lift kit on our website, you have all of the options laid out for you. And then if you're still stuck, you can always reach out to one of our suspension techs, or we even actually call you after you've ordered your lift kit to actually double check and ensure that your spring rates are correct and you've got all the optional extras that you possibly might need. So this car behind me has already got a Formula 4x4 lift kit installed. How about we get out of the workshop, go off-road and see what it can actually do. So I've been driving around with this Formula 4x4 lift kit in this vehicle now for the last couple of days, and honestly I can say it's probably one of the most comfortable 4x4 lift kits I've had to experience. It's been really great on-road, so it's taking out a lot of the harsh juts and everything like that from the terrible on-road Australian road conditions. And then off-road, it's actually still really sort of placid compared to a lot of other lift kits out there on the market. It's probably one of the most comfortable I've personally been in, at least, allowing me to focus a lot more on the technicality of the tracks because it's not making me focus so much on how harsh everything feels. If you're wanting to purchase one of these lift kits, head on over to the Fulcrum website and you can even get them fitted by one of our specialists. Otherwise, if you have any further questions about purchasing the lift kit itself, feel free to reach out to one of our customer service team and they'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, see you then. It changes the camber and caster angles of the stock control arm to be able to give you a little bit more height, which allows you to put a bigger tire on, which then gives you more, of course. That's all right. All right, it stopped. No, it hasn't. I lied.